If someone pulls in front of you like that, just drop off the gas for a couple of seconds, let a gap develop. Don't be on the tail. We're going to get off now, so it's centre mirror left, signalling left. I always talk about the area where you live has unusual stuff, and Milton Keynes is no exception. So deceleration lane, slowing down. Now I'm going to go right, so I'm going to check my right mirror. I'm going to get towards the right side before it starts dividing into two lanes. And this is no exception here. I'm going to do a right turn at the end of the road where the junction is, and go under the A5 to get back on. And people who, I suppose, teach in this area call it the dog bone roundabout, because it's the shape of a dog bone. Check your mirrors, signal in, and because the angle that I'm approaching at is going to be a funny angle, I'm going to be slowing down, expecting to stop, because I'm going to be looking over my shoulder for what's coming on the right. And then I'm off. All the way round. It's like a U-turn that I'm going to be doing here, but there's no kind of barrier, so it's just a curve all the way around. Let's get under this A5, signal back on, telling everyone you're going round still, and then planning to get off, check in, signal in, accelerating, building that speed up, cancel that signal, get past the bend. That's it. So getting back on the dual carriageway now. So if you're new to dual carriageways, I'll put a link, by the way, at the top of a dual carriageway, how to get on and get off. But I guess I'm getting to the top. I'm telling everyone how to get on. Starting to move across into fifth gear. Opens up for me quite nice at this point. Cancelling my signal, doing 60 miles an hour already.